Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see 3 very quick, easy and yummy mug recipes which can be enjoyed as quick breakfast or evening snacks. So let's get started with the recipes. The first recipe is going to be a cheesy and yummy mug pizza. So let's get started with the making process. For that, take a mug and into it goes 4 tablespoons of refined flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of salt for taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'll be adding now 3 teaspoons of milk. And now give a rough mix. And now I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of milk. So basically I have added here 3 tablespoons of milk. Now give everything a good mix. So now our pizza batter is ready. Next goes around 1 tablespoon of pizza pasta sauce. And with the help of a spoon, we need to spread the sauce evenly on top. So in this way I have prepared 3 mugs. Next goes grated mozzarella cheese. For toppings, you can add anything of your choice. You can add corn, bell peppers, onion, mushrooms, olive, sausage. Choice is yours. So I have finished topping up my mug pizzas with corn, cherry tomatoes, olives, jalapenos, bell peppers. Actually, I have given different toppings in each mug and have sprinkled some chili flakes and oregano on top. And now time to microwave them in a preheated oven for just 1 minute. And after 1 minute, our cheesy mug pizzas are ready to be enjoyed hot. I will garnish with fresh basil leaf on top. That's it. Enjoy. So I hope you will try this easy and yummy mug pizza recipe, as it's a great option to enjoy as evening snacks. The second one is another quick and yummy mug recipe, which is 1 minute mac and cheese in mug. So let's get started. So in this bowl I have taken some boiled macaroni. Next, take a mug and add some boiled macaroni into it, filling 3/4 of the mug. I will fill one more mug the same way. Next, I'll be adding some sweet corns, some salt for seasoning, some freshly crushed black pepper, some oregano, add a splash of milk, and finally some grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Add more cheese if you want your mug mac and cheese to be cheesy and creamy. And now with the help of a spoon, I will give a quick mix so that all the ingredients combines well. Finally, I'll be adding some more cheese on top. That's it. And now we need to microwave it for just 1 minute in a preheated oven. And after 1 minute, our mug mac and cheese is ready to be enjoyed hot. You can see how cheesy it has turned out. So do try this quick and yummy mac and cheese recipe. And now let's move on to our third mug recipe. The third recipe is 1-minute mug cake, which is another very quick and yummy recipe. So let's start with the making process. For that, take a mug and into it add 3 tablespoons of refined flour. Next goes 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, half teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Now mix all the ingredients well. I have taken here 3 tablespoons of milk, which I'll be adding bit by bit, 2 drops of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And now with the help of a fork, we need to give a nice mix so that we get a smooth lumps-free batter. I will add now the remaining milk. Give again a good mix. And our choco cake batter is ready. Next, I will add some dark chocolate chunks to make my mug cake more chocolatey. Give this a mix. Finally, I will add some chocolate chips on top. There we go. And now I will microwave it for just 1 minute in a preheated oven. And after 1 minute, our chocolatey mug cake is ready. I will garnish or decorate with some Hershey's chocolate syrup and sprinkle some more chocolate chips on top. Looks yummy, isn't it? And now our chocolate mug cake is ready to be enjoyed hot. So friends, I hope you will try all the 3 mug recipes, which are very quick and easy to make and taste yummy too. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more interesting recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.